Hey guys, this is Fundo on Manchopalama. Tonight on Uzalo, Kapsile make a favor from Fonkonzi to call Sbu come from a house to to talk about the Konzi business that he will be a leader. And Sbu it seems like he is happy, but he got disappointed when he found that Kunzi is alive, and Kunzi tell him that he will get her, and Sbu ran away and pack up to leave Guamashu. But it seems like he is late, and Shelo got disappointed that Kunzi is still alive. The harbor is open for business, but it is a ghost town. The hunter for Wanda continue, and it seems like Njeza want Wanda alive and take him to the police station. While Nosipo is planning for an event of for celebrating a Women's Day. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.